Hi, I'm Kristen Matlock.
Getting ready to head out, packing up the last things here for the Pro R. It's all new parts on this thing, so definitely been an undertaking. It's taco time!
Hey!
How do you like my bag? Heading from San Quintin down to Catavina.
We're just getting everything loaded up here, getting ready to get out for our first day of pre-running finally. Can't wait to get out on the course. Got the most important things for the race course, or stickers for all the kids. Hello. Jessica. Pit stop here. We just did the first 25 miles of our pre-run today, and we saw a couple other guys out there doing the same thing that we are. Gave them some waves, kept on going, and we're just having so much fun. So all done here at Catavina, getting ready to start the day, and we're going to head to Bay of LA. I'm going to jump in my pre-runner back here and just have a good old time in Baja. So we are just getting ready to edit some of the lead nav notes because I skipped over a little bit of a section for editing. I didn't want to stop and do it, so we're just going to do it right here because it was just right back there, and Wayne's going to help me edit this. So we just wrapped up our day of pre-running. We ended up in beautiful Bay of LA. I always forget how spectacular it is. It's absolutely gorgeous here. The views are just breathtaking. Good girl.
It's not an American.
Good morning. It is freezing out. It's 5:20 in the morning, and we are getting ready to head north back up to Ensenada so we can just get ourselves there. Tomorrow's a huge day of tech and contingency, and then the next day is an even bigger day, race day.
Get a little jog in. Thanks for parking so far up here. We finally made it back to Estero Beach Resort. So happy to be here right now. It's a little bit chilly though. We came from like 80, 90 degree weather to 64 degrees. So we traveled a long day to get here. It was about 13 hours in the end, and we're just getting ready to have a nice dinner. And I have a new friend apparently. Look at this guy. Hey buddy. You might have to go sleep with me tonight. Sorry, Wayne. We're going to registration.
Nice.
Baja 1000. day and I am just waking up. I decided to go ahead and get an IV in me, get hydrated before the race because I should be behind the wheel for about 29 hours if all goes as planned, up to 50 to give us 50 hours for a race limit. So yeah, just hoping to jump in that car, speed down the Baja Peninsula for 29 hours, cross that finish line and go back to bed.
1954, just about 30 seconds to start.
Good luck, babe. Be strong, and we'll see you in La Paz. I love you.
1954 chase, if you have a copy, leave this past race mile 450, all good.
All of a sudden it got cold again. Must be getting close to water.
I know.
Marine layer.
I took my jacket and gloves off and now I'm like, uh-oh, this is cold.
Great job, guys. High fives to all of you. Great work.
Finally made it to the finish line. Man, that was a tough battle. We ended up doing extremely well, in my opinion, up until race mile 335, and then that's kind of where it started to go downhill. We had a wheel bearing, as you saw before in the video, go out initially, got that one fixed, took a couple hours, then had the other one 50 miles later go out, and that was like a 4.5 hour fix because of the location that we were at. We actually had to have one of our crew members walk the parts back into us so we didn't go backwards from the course because you cannot do that in racing. So got all that fixed, had one more minor issue, but other than that, after race mile 600, we were just kind of doing our thing, picking some people off here and there, and everything went really well, except we were just down on time at the moment, so we couldn't make it all up, but still ended up decent. The results aren't in yet, so I'm not exactly sure where I ended up on the results, but I know that we finished, and that's all that I can say at this point, but that makes me extremely happy. Super proud of our entire team. Everybody put in a huge effort for this one. 36 hours later on course, and all of our guys got us there and made it all possible. So that's about it. That's a wrap, and made it all the way 1,227 miles down the Baja Peninsula at the 2021 Baja 1000.
Here we are, La Paz, Mexico. Baja 1000 is over. We got both cars to the finish. Chase 1 is out.